Facit 1620. Hit the any key, the carriage does not move. Right? Yeah, this is very famous for the this kind of problem, because the escapement does not turn, it's just stuck. So we need a clean and then oiling. See, release the escapement, still it does not move, does not move. Facit 1620. Facit typewriter is very good. It's very famous for the smooth carriage movement, but also they are very notorious for the stock of the escapement, because someone mentioned the oil they use is a little bit different. So if we did not use a long time, the oil make totally the escapement stocks. So I already got a experience for that. So I know about that. This seller mentioned that everything works except the carriage movement. So I thought, it got a same problem with the oil. Also, I have another Facit TP2, exactly same with the problem, and then the ribbon spool turning, that area, same problem, because they're using the same material, same oil. So I already got experience, so I decided to buy this one. My first Facit was the TP2 with the Cursive, and then second one is a TP1, same thing with the Cursive typeface, and then another TP2 regular, the Elite, and then another TP2 with the Pika. Actually, I'm looking for the Facit 1620. This is first Facit 1620. I am looking for the Pika typeface, but very interesting. When I bought the 1620, it was in a Pika. First one is Elite. Second one is Senatorial, or I don't know, Cubic. And then another one for the parts. And then this one is not Pika. This is Cursive also. So a couple days ago, someone asked the antique typewriter collector for the Facebook, what is the best the portable typewriter? Normally, a lot of people mention about the Olympia SM series, especially 9 and then 3 and 4. And then also the Olivetti 32, and then Hermes 3000, and then of course Smith Corona Silent, Super Silent Sterling series, and then some Royal typewriter, and then under the 3 bank someone mentioned, a lot, but I found one of the person mentioned this one, Facit 1620. So I started to search again, and then I found this one. Even though it was not cleaned the inside. The inside is very dirty, so I clean a lot, and then the escapement movement totally stop. So I spend a lot of time using the WD-40. If you are not patient, so you wanna quickly try to move the escapement by force, then got a problem, because that area, I'll show you. The bottom line, this is escapement, right? That area very close to the carriage movement, there is a very tricky lay. So if you move by force, that make a damage for that lay. So even though it works, but you got a very noisy. I got a bad experience for that. So be patient for this movement. Escapement totally stop. We need to try by a little bit, and then later it will be works perfect. Then you can get the very smooth, see, very smooth movement. That's very famous for this very smooth movement. But if you do the stock problem by force, then you can roast this very smooth stuff. So be careful. Okay, it's very. I like this style because there is no insulation, no other stuff. It's totally with just metal. So I like this stuff. Okay, and then look at some sample typing. This day I am reading the LabGo, English and then Korean, but I written the English book, so the last part I'm reading the Korean with the Korean language. But today morning I found a very nice verse, nice sentence in Korean. Said 사랑과 공부는 한순간도 절대 낭비가 아니라는 점에서 비슷하다. So I have no English book right now, so I translate into the English this language. So it's not, I'm not sure it's not the same with the book, but I translate like this. Love and studying are similar in that they are never a waste of a single moment. So that's why I want to type today. Okay? Yeah, let's try. Thank you for watching.